Halor Kapatisi TV. Haka Shiphotre Urisa or Japsan, Katnat Divisional Forest Officer, Jantia Hills Wildlife Division Jawai, Kalapunkutno Yaka Taiew Lehkmen Wildlife Week, ha District Library Auditorium Mentong Jawai, Bat Kapang Padang Jong Kanekajing Lehkmen, Kade Halor Kapang, Human Animal Coexistence. Hagani Gasngi Lai Don Langka MLA, Jong Kasutanga Saipung, Kakong Santa Mary Shila, Kum Kakong San, Kabau District and Sessions Judge. West Jantia Hills District, Unur Khan, Ulalong Kumusumbut Kongsan. Hakini kasingi katanat kalapun kuburamru daga kusnam Wildlife Samaritan Award, Shaki Rushmet, but kakenhuan kapapalak yaki Mrak Klau, hapo West Jantia Hills District. Shibenta jong kani kasingi lapulong ru yaki jingako prepare kumka drawing but painting, nakapenta ki class 6, hadu class 8. Halor kapang, living in harmony with wildlife. Kajingakop tho Asia nakapenta ki class 9, hadu 10. Halor kapang human animal coexistence, but kajingakop extemporary speech competition yaki class 11 but class 12.
The people of East Jantia Hills could be in Arpo area, could be the Sumer area, Clear area, the Batao area, all of them can come and then see what you done and what you're doing to preserve the forest. It's very important to do the awareness program for our people. So, indeed, our people still lack of lot of things. Ma yu bai pijan bocha chini se juai chapot city rapsong tu bat people ba. They are educated, but our people there are still, they have lots to learn. Juyu bai pijan atang klong. Katula kawa sing chi June cultivation is also one problem in our state and also in our district also. That also need to be aware of all these things, that we should preserve our forests, because as everybody is saying, the speakers earlier have said that it's very important to preserve our forests. Tengayo yo oklame pisibon gentian, tekwa ongi pihini por wa iwi amlang hini. Let us all contribute to the society, to the community, and to nature especially.
I can just say in a very simple word, in ordinary man's parlance, that the environment is nature and nature is God. And I was just thinking that what do I speak that is going to make an impact in your mind? And nowadays what we see is that what the corporate do, or when the brands they do, is they have some punch lines, some lines which is there which you can always remember. So I'll start with some few beautiful lines which is dealing with the environment and the wildlife. First, I would like to remind you one thing, that if you can't build a nest, don't destroy it. Protect wildlife, preserve life. Extinction is, if anything goes off, any plant or species goes off, it goes off forever, it will never come back. Be kind to everything, or be kind to every kind. Every animal deserves respect. Now, the most important thing is that anything beautiful, it's very tempting. You like to touch, you like to keep it with you, you like to own it. So sometimes everything which is beautiful is not to be touched, not to be destroyed. And if you are a person who likes to destroy beautiful things, then there's something wrong with you.
Pin real spa, ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tien kasi, kak tien la jong, I kan roy kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la jong ka kentien kasi, kerdop lani palor. Beli lani kang ya katuka palor ni juya ong. Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banya kiw yaw up, hindrangi kiw yaw tip. Ktin Tudayakan mau kendit ho Lapan mi da kapate CTV Na kabenta ka jing mentoy upat ba